What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Bitcoin. This video will be really important because we are about to break this previous high, and if we take a look on a daily time frame, you can see that in the long time perspective we are forming here a lower lows, which means that this low is lower than this one is lower than this one, and you know the drill. So right now we are about to break this really important level, which is around like 65k. And on the lower time frame we are also forming this rising wedge, and we have here this bearish order block, which is similar with this previous high. So in this video I will show you what are the next exact trades that I'm planning to take on Bitcoin. Also I will reveal you my exact entries, exact stop losses, take profit targets, etc. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end, because I think that the next month will be for Bitcoin really bullish. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Here you can see we are forming this rising wedge, and also we are consolidating in this sideways channel, which is between this bearish order block, which is between levels 65k and 64k 200, and then this bullish order block, which is between levels 62k 980 and 62k 370 approximately. Right now the main setup that I'm currently waiting for on the 1 hour chart will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. I know there is still higher chance of fake out because we have here this potential resistance of this rising wedge, but I think because we have here like this previous high and these lower highs on a daily time frame, then if there will be a support confirmation, I think this coin is gonna go up. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably gonna test this bullish order block. So you don't wanna let's say hold the losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target you can, for example, place above these previous highs, which will give you a trade with risk reward ratio of 5.2. You will also place it above this bearish order block, which is between levels like 70k and 69k 400 approximately. And if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are just gonna swipe the liquidity above, and then the market can reverse back down. And that's the main reason why I am placing the last take profit target above these two important resistances. Of course, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profit you, for example, want to take like under this previous highs, then under this previous highs, then under this bearish order block, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio on this trade on the 1 hour time frame will be like 3.5 something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really good for a scalp trade. So yeah, definitely this is one of the trades that I am currently watching on Bitcoin. If we take a look on a daily time frame, you can see that we are forming here these lower highs, as I said in the intro of this video. So if we are gonna break this level, which is like a previous high, then we are probably gonna test this bearish order block on a daily time frame, which is between levels 72k and 69k 270. Does it mean that buying a breakout of this previous high is a good idea for a long trade? Well, in my opinion, no, because we have here that bearish order block on the 1 hour chart, and if there won't be that support confirmation, there is simply high chance of a fake out. Another problem with a trade on a daily time frame is that I simply don't know where I can place my stop loss, because yeah, you can place it like under these previous lows, but still this is not like an important like support area. So if you will place the last take profit target like above this bearish order block, and you will, for example, place the stop loss like under this previous low, which will be probably a good stop loss level, then your risk reward ratio is gonna be like 0.93, which is, in my opinion, really not great. So that's the main reason why I think that opening a long position on a daily time frame on Bitcoin, it's not making that much sense. But you can use it, for example, as I'm doing in my VIP trading group, where I am sharing all of my trades. You can use it for a long position on an altcoin, because if Bitcoin is gonna do, let's say, this move in which Bitcoin will pump around like 6.5 to 11% of a net market, then altcoins are probably gonna do like 10 to 20% of a net market move, so you can make much more money on trading altcoins. If we take a look on an RSI indicator, you can see that this coin is starting to be overvalued because we are on the level 82, which is above 80 mark. So right now, I do not necessarily think that this coin is gonna go up. I think there is definitely room for testing at least this bearish order block, and also you can see that Bitcoin can be in the overbought area for some time. You can see it, for example, here or like here. So this is, as I said, not necessarily meaning that that Bitcoin is gonna go down. But if we are gonna test this bearish order block, you need to be super careful, because historically this was like a main resistance, and we are in this, let's say, sort of a sideways channel for around, almost like 200 days, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, again, as I said, if we are gonna test this area, definitely be careful. But the main setup that you should be watching here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. And if we are gonna confirm support here, then this will be another really interesting opportunity. Stop loss in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, and the last take profit target, well, I will place it around like 85 to a 90k mark, something like that, probably something around like 85, 87, because I think that in case of a breakout and then support confirmation, this will be a new all-time high that we are gonna do. So this trade can give you risk reward ratio around 4.5, and you even don't, let's say, have to take multiple take profit targets, because we will be in a price discovery phase, which means that historically in this area we don't have any liquidity, so we can't place our take profit targets properly. Probably some profits you can take under, slightly under like 80k mark, because this will be next important psychological resistance, but beside that, I would take like these two take profit targets. Another setup that I'm watching on Bitcoin is valid on the 1 hour chart again, because we are forming here this bullish order block, and if we are gonna take a liquidity under, and let's say liquidity to be tested in this area, there needs to be a drop only around like 2.6, 2.5%, and then after that there will be a support confirmation. This can be another really interesting, let's say, long opportunity, because entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block after a support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you will place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's say something like this, and the last take profit target can remain the same, and this trade can give you potential risk to reward like 8.57. Of course, some of the profit you need to take in this bearish order block, because this will be an important resistance, but I think that after this, let's say, liquidity grab, we are gonna break this bearish order block and we are gonna go to a next one. So yeah, this is another potential trade that I'm right now watching on Bitcoin. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to know about all the analysis that I'm doing on Bitcoin or on the other altcoins, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. I will be really happy if you hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.